If you've been exposed to COVID-19 through close contact and you go without symptoms, the CDC is now saying it's not necessary to get tested.
Exclusions apply if the health district suggests testing or if you or someone you're in close quarters with is more vulnerable.
So Lauren Linville joins us now with more on this. Lauren, how might this affect numbers?
Well, the Wichita Falls, Wichita County Health District has actually been going by this specific protocol since COVID-19 hit our community. Now, because of quarantine accountability, this shouldn't affect numbers too much.
Close contact plus no symptoms equals no testing. That's a new change to guidelines by the CDC.
What we've gone by since the very beginning was not to test asymptomatic individuals.
Local health officials say there's a couple of reasons backing this up.
And the testing doesn't change how you treat that. You stay at home till you're over it, you don't get anybody else infected.
They can develop symptoms anywhere from 2 to 14 days. So really testing someone after exposure without any symptoms is only going to tell that individual whether or not they're negative on that day.
Close contact is considered those less than 6 feet apart for 15 or more minutes. For Wichita Falls ISD, those in close contact already have to quarantine for 14 days, symptoms or not.
If it's day 7 of their quarantine and all of a sudden they start showing symptoms, then they become a symptomatic student. And now it's 10 days from the time symptoms first appeared.
MSU Medical Director Dr. Keith Williamson says there's exceptions to the guidance.
If you go home, and home is a small place, and you're living with your grandparents and somebody that has diabetes, and there's lots of vulnerable people, there may be an increased need to test. We have residential housing. It's a congregate setting, and our threshold for testing is a little bit lower.
If you've been close to someone with COVID-19 and never developed symptoms, that doesn't mean you're free from isolation.
If we identify someone as a contact to a case, then we're going to follow those individuals for the 14 days from their last known contact to that individual.
Revised guidance Wichita County is already accustomed to.
Now, health and school officials stress this is a fluid situation and they'll continue adapting to the guidelines put in place.